Hey guys, what's up and welcome to another video. I'm Master Toad, aka Mahmood, and in today's video we are going to be doing some Photoshop Mix. And what we're going to be doing in Photoshop Mix is pretty simple. We are going to be making like a little, it's hard to explain. And I just said it was simple. So I'll have it on the screen, and yeah. So as always, if you have any suggestions for videos I can do for the next episodes, please leave them in the comments. And yeah. So this is kind of easy. I'll also have a link to download the image in the description as well. So if you want to download the image for your photo library, it will be in the description. So I guess that's all for the intro. So I'll see you in the video. Okay, so we're in Photoshop Mix, and yeah, so let's get into it. Step 1, we're gonna have this picture, we're gonna make it a bit bigger like that, and yeah, cut out and go to auto. There we go. Then we add another image. We're gonna add this one. This is step 2. Wait. Step 2. We're gonna go here and add this image. And then we're going to cut out auto. And then we're gonna cut out the inside. And then we're going to go like that. So then, when we've done that, we're going to cut out this line. This is step 3. We're going to cut this line out, and we're going to make him fit the circle. Eraser, and hardness is going to be all the way at maximum. And that, and then we go to his hand. And there we go. I might make the circle a bit smaller, like that, so it fits a bit better. So eraser. There we go. And I also like to make this vintage. Yeah. I don't know why. I think it looks, or maybe punch. Yeah. I'm gonna make it punch instead. Looks and punch. Yeah. That gives it a lot of effect. So, I need to do this one a bit as well. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add this. I'm going to put it in the background so it's easy for me to do. And I'm going to cut out basic eraser. And cut out all these white bits. Like that, and then here like that, and yeah. And that moves us on to the next step. we're gonna add an image. It's gonna be this one. I'll put this at the back here. And then I like to have that tower in. I'm going to do cold fade. That was a bit there. And then do that. And then do that. I'm just gonna do it like this. Eraser. And then I'll go like that. Like that. There. Now what I'm gonna do is merge them all. And yeah, the last picture we need is this one. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna make it bigger and then we're gonna do auto. I'm actually gonna unmerge them because there's something that I kind of want to do. This, I haven't done this before. So blend, opacity, making it like that. Yeah, so images, this one, I'll put it back here. And I'm gonna cut out auto, yes, like that. And then cut out basic eraser. And then like that. Blend, opacity. New York City. And yeah, so that was the last step. So I guess that's the end of the video. And I'll see you later. Bye.